Hey guys, so it's Saturday. Today we're gonna put our Christmas tree up. I'm gonna have Henry's nephews help me, so they can help me out putting the ornaments. So let's see how it turns out.
Movie. Theo. Stand back, Alan. It's gonna cut you. Hi. Hi. Theo. Look at my. Movie.
Alright, so we already put out the Christmas tree. Now all we're gonna do is put the ornaments and then we're gonna plug it. And Vivian is gonna help me put the hooks onto the ornaments. Yeah.
I can't see that. Too many feet. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
You're gonna count them all?
They got called in to see the board of directors. The biggest baby.
We're here. Alright guys, so this is how the tree looks. I think I'm gonna find a way to light up that star because it's not lit and it needs to be lit in order for it to look complete. We're gonna take that out the way and it will look nice. My junky cheeks, say hi! Say
Hi, everybody!
Say we're done with the Christmas tree.
We're done with the Christmas tree.
Now we just need some presents.
We need some presents.
You wanna go shopping?
No.
Or two?
What?
No?
Yes,
You don't wanna go shopping?
I do. I want to go shopping.
Your deal gets paid. Well, get back to the store.
Laugh at me.
No. How?
We can just think. Okay, Ruby.
¿Quién es, mami? ¿Quién es? It's Vivi. Say hi, Vivi. Diles hola.
Go an O,
Oh.
go a circle. Say.
Valentina.
Let's see who could do. Who knows how old
I
is
know. And she's little.
she's
little.
6.
Why? Like me? I'm
No.
7.
You're 7 years. She's 6 months.
I
It says
checked. I am 5. I am
No.
5.
you're years. She's months.
Oh.
Because she was born in. How do you know? Huh?
May the 30th. When is Valentine's birthday? You said May 30.
Oh, he's 31.
If it is 31.
She's gonna be 1 year old. So right now she's only 6 months. So when is 1
In
year?
6 more months, she will be 1 year.
How many months make a year? Go an O, go a
Oh.
circle. Say.
I know. And she's little.
She's
little.
6.
Why? Like me? I'm
No.
7.
You're 7 years. She's 6 months.
I
It says
checked. I am 5. I am
No.
5.
you're years. She's months.
Oh.
Because she was born in.
May
How do you know?
30.
Huh?
May the 31.
She's gonna be 1 year old. So right now she's only 6 months. So when is 1 year?
In 6 more months, she will be 1 year.
How many months make a year?
Wednesday. That's 2017. So next year is what? 2018. So let's go to. When's your birthday again?
Wednesday.
No. What month? September. So when's your birthday? What day?
Not 20.
So what day is it?
Thursday.
It's Thursday. So next year, your next birthday is gonna be on Thursday, but it's still September and it's still the 20th.
It's like 6:30 and Valentina wants to go to sleep early. This year, I do not like the ornaments. I don't know, they're not so cute this time around. Let's see what we can get. That's cute. I like this one. My friend bought this one. Whatever that means. Easy. Mira, bye, Frema. Para que se lo ponga.
Ah, yo, ahí no es nuestro tree.
I knew it. I got it. Look it. I got 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 it. Uy. Going up?
Something here.
Are you going up?
Down.
Oh. No. Damn, it looks all new. So, well, we were in Target. There was a chick, and she was talking about something about some tacos. And Henry's like, man, I feel like tacos. So, we stopped here at this little truck stop. It's called Tacos Super Gallito. They're actually not that bad. They're pretty good. And guess what? My windows are tinted. I want to cry of excitement, of happiness. Guys, sometimes it's the smallest things that you need in life to make you be more comfortable. The other day, I took Valentina with me in my car, in the blue car, to Henry's job to meet up for lunch. And his job is only like a 12-minute drive. His job. Yeah. And so, I met him actually like 2 minutes before. And Valentina, no lie, was roasted. Like, she was red. Her whole face was red. She was starting to get like a little rash, like a heat rash. Oh my God, I was so mad. And that's because this back window, my windows were not tinted. This back window, the sun was peeping through here, and it burned her. And it was only like 10 minutes, guys. I was so angry at myself. Like, every time I looked at the picture, I would get mad. And then the other thing that I was like, all right, I'm almost there. She was crying. She was like, and I knew the sun was in her face, but I honestly didn't think it was going to be that bad. My side windows, normally I put a blanket, but the sun was peeping through the back window. Bad idea. And so Henry saw her and he was like, you know what? No, we're tinting the windows ASAP because her skin is so sensitive right now. She's a baby still, so it's gonna burn her. And I need to be able to move around. I can't have her exposed to the sun, to the heat, and the heat rash.